Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on the Reset option and tap on Reset Network Settings. Here your device will inform you that it will reset all network settings including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset and Network Settings, and if you've got any kind of screen or currently set, then just enter to confirm the whole step. And here we've got also the information that your device the reset cannot be undone. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings if you are ready, and the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.